did anything wrong, except spend money and put this place over and bring my family and friends here. That is bad for you.
Why would it be bad for me?
Well, watch social media tomorrow.
I don't follow social media.
Well, you better.
I don't get stuck on my phone.
What's your name, nut job? Nicholas what?
Beaumont.
Nicholas Dickhead.
You don't have to call me like that, sir.
Don't ever talk.
You don't have to call me like that, sir.
You don't have to do this to me. If you believe me and my family.
I'm not removing you.
I didn't do one thing wrong. I walked into a bathroom.
And you cuss on my kitchen manager.
Oh, you're a kid I accosted. Really? What world do you live in?
The same world you
What
live
world
in.
do you How did I accost him? Did I touch him?
Cussing, you said cuss word.
I never say a cuss word. You know, is that his word against yours? I didn't say one cuss word.
Okay.
God. No, ma'am, I'm gonna give you $1,000 tip just to say to him, kiss my ass. If you walk outside
You
here,
don't have to be disrespectful to me, sir. We're being
I
disrespectful
know
to you.
you're disrespecting me,
How am I disrespectful?
telling me to leave.
I'm not telling you to leave, we're just telling you that you're cut off.
Oh, I'm cut off and I'm drunk? Really?
Yes, sir. It don't matter if you're famous or not. It's the
Here,
same
ma'am,
experience.
ma'am, please give yourself $1,000 tip.
Let me do it.
$1,000 tip. This guy and I are so cool. She and I are cool. And along comes dipshit.
You don't have to call me like that.
I just said it.
I never did.
I'll say it again. You're a dipshit.
You have to get out of here right now.
Oh, I'm leaving. Trust me.
Thank God.
I won't come back again.
Thank God.
Come outside here and talk to me like a man.
I'm not gonna do that because I'm on the clock.
You push you are. You're on the pussy clock.
Go outside if you want.
I'm gonna stop.
Hey, you want to go out and talk with me in the park? He said, 'cause I don't work here. I don't give a shit. We'll talk tonight. That's not doing it.
What's that?
You heard me.
What's that?
Please stop, okay?
What did you just say to me? What did you just say to me?
Excuse me.
Oh, I brought my whole family here.
I need one of those little bar straws for mixed drinks.
You know how